Hello everyone and welcome to the Nuclear channel. So this video is nothing but just a wrap-up video. So as you already know that we have completed the basic level of the Python explanation series or teaching series, and about also after the you can say catch-up video or you can say roadmap discussion video, I get to know that we have also completed the C++ learning journey. Both the journey have actually completed with three projects in each, and both all the three projects are similar in both languages. So that means I have done three projects which are first of all the simple calculator. Then we have you can say the console based ATM interface, and the last is a statistical analysis tool. So these are the three projects which are basically on the basic skills that we have completed up until now. So what I'm thinking is, as you have seen in the roadmap, that for basic level of skills, there must be some like basic projects, something like from 10 to 12 project. I think, yeah, there was 10 to 12 project. That means right now we have to make something like 10 more projects or maybe nine. Yeah, let's fix with nine. So I was thinking what should be the ideas. So there are quite few ideas that I have think about for the basic level actually, and that is first of all the number guessing game, which we can you can say this is nothing but just you can say I will just give you the length, or you can say the range of the number, that how in which range the number is present. So this will be you can say decided, or you can say set in the backend. So this kind of game I am thinking of, and the next game is quite common, which is rock paper and scissor. So basically, what I am saying right now is actually going to be implemented in both Python and C++. So I am saying in those perspectives. So yeah, so I have said you to make two projects, like first of all number guessing and then tic tac toe. Maybe tic tac toe can also be done, but let's see that later. But for now, where was I? Yeah, the you can say this rock paper scissor, and these are the two projects that I'm also thinking of implementing. So after which we might have somewhere around five projects. Yeah, let me just write that. Take me Let me just grab my pen and paper in my notebook. Grab. So the project ideas. So in the project ideas, first we have discussed is number guessing game. Number guessing game. And the other is nothing but rock paper scissors. And what could be the other idea that we might be or can do? What should be the idea? We should make an something like what should be the idea here? So implementation of, let's move it, implementation of creation of one physics formula. So this is what actually combines the interdisciplinary things. So with this, we have covered up to even say six project. And about the implementation, we have implemented one physics formula. So maybe it will be like from optics, can be from mechanics, or can be anything other. And what should be the topic? Maybe we should find the topic from the real life. What do you say? So the other topic can be like what should be the other topic? What should be? What it should be? Maybe notes maker. Yeah, notes maker. So this project will be like you can save your notes and daily updates actually on the app. That means so implementation will be discussed later. For now, let me put that in bracket that to save the keynotes. This is from the perspective of, so we might need two more projects to actually cover those you can say the basic criteria of some basic level skills. What else can be done from the basic knowledge that we have covered? Think of that. What should be the other things? So two projects. No, not two projects. We need around. So first of all, let's just think about the other project later. So the first we are going to you can say do these four project first, and which are number guessing games, and the next is rock paper scissors, then implementation of one physics formula, and the last is notes taker, or you can say notes maker app, which is basically going to save the keynotes that we are going to give, and the notes saved can be in the structured format, maybe, or that decide on the day I give the introduction. So I'm going to search about that. The next thing that I want to mention here is that maybe Python series will go on like as always. So let me tell you in advance what this Python series is going to look like in the near future. So in the Python explained clearly, we have done the foundations. We are actually in the project creation phase, which can be done in the parallel with the teaching. So the next is the core programming part, in which I'm going to tell you about some functions. Basically, in the functions, I'm going to tell you about a default and keyworded argument. Also, how to take the you can say variable length arguments, lambda functions, modules, and import Python modules and how to import them. Okay, creating our own Python module, file handling. Okay, the with statement. Okay, and exception handling, creating custom exceptions, and oops, and classes and object. Basically, in the oops video, we're going to see why we need classes. And next is init method and object lifecycle. And the next part is instance and class variable, built-in Python function. You must know. Also standard libraries, and we are also going to see if you can say the time allows us virtual environments and pip, again the mini projects. So if allow us, we are also going to cover the concepts like encapsulation and others, and also we are also going to see something about like attender methods in Python. So also let me add that to our schedule too. So if I add this into the schedule, this is going to be quite useful. So the next is Done. Render methods. So this is also going to be covered. Yeah, let's save that Python roadmap. Actually, I am not showing the roadmap because it contains the you can say structure for the future, near future, and that's all. So that covers the Python content series. Now for the next C++ series, we are going to move to the intermediate part shortly after we covering these four projects. And I'm also thinking of practicing C++ concept through some hands-on practice, and which will be I will be updating in the C++ series. That means learning C++ because I want to series that where I stuck, what I get to learn while doing this hands-on project, and so on. So this is going to be our next phase of you can say YouTube. Also, that is also that's it. I will tell you once there is some update about these projects or anything else. So maybe let's not promise anything else, but we'll see about that. What we can do later. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.